everybody, it's Gail from thehappystamper.com. Thanks for visiting with me today. I've got some fun cards and little different treat things that I wanted to share with you from our local team meeting. And I am a part of the bigger group, which is called Stampaholics. And so we had our meeting this past Saturday, and it was really fun, very inspirational, just great to get together with gals and all sorts of friends to create and make cards. But Shannon West from the Stampin' Up! Home office was on hand. How fun is that? It was great to meet her in person. I told her I felt like I already knew her, even though I've never met her. So that was really fun, and I'll start off with sharing with you. She had shared a story about her mother making popcorn cake whenever it was anybody's birthday, and that what popcorn cake was a greased bundt pan, and her mother would push the popcorn into the pan and then slice it up, and they would have popcorn cake. So one of their other family traditions was making popcorn, and she said her favorite was popcorn and peanuts, and then also these pumpkin and candy corn treats. So she was so kind, and she brought these little goodie treats that her mother had made a batch of this, and she created these cute little Halloween tags for us, and then she handed them out to everyone. So what a cute little treat for the festive Halloween season. Thank you so much, Shannon. I had a ball meeting you, no pun intended, but these are just adorable. And so there's a cute little treat idea for you and how simple to make. So that was really fun. And then I'll share with you the cards that we made, and I'll give you a little bit of information on them. So this was inspired by our friend Karen, who's on the team. This is using the Juggling Snowman. The designer series paper is called Let It Snow, and this can be found in the holiday catalog on pages 18 to 20, and it uses, this also can be a bundle, the Snowman Punch. This cute pumpkin card is really pretty, and I hope you can see the embossing in the background. This is using Harvest Hellos. You've seen me use this a gazillion times, and the Apple Builder Punch. That can be found on in the holiday catalog on page 49. And it also is using our beautiful nested stitched labels. If you can see the stitching in that, it's really pretty. And the embossing folder here in the background is called Scripty, and again you can find that on page 49 of the holiday catalog. Look how pretty this is, you guys. Oh my gosh, it is just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. My wish list is 100 miles long, I swear. And I just placed another order yesterday. This is Yuletide Cheer. This is inspired by our teammate Natalie. She used the stamp set Frosted Foliage with the frosted dies, and that's what cuts out these beautiful detailed edges. I mean, so simple but so stunning, isn't it? It can be found on pages 40 to 42 in the holiday catalog. The designer series paper, which is spectacular, is called Feels Like Frost, and this is a wow. This is a wow. Oh my gosh. Let's hop over to this. How cute is this? This is the coffin box. This was inspired by my dear friend Lisa. She always makes the cutest things. This is using the coffin die treat boxes that can be found on page 53 in the holiday catalog. She also used the ornate frame dies, googly eyes, and some of the cute little Monster Bash enamel shapes. And she used the Boo to You on page 57 in the holiday catalog to stamp the sentiment here. But I'm going to show you the real wow factor on this. It's so cute. She comes up with the cutest projects, I swear. Okay, so it's our little coffin. Can you hear there's little treats inside? But wait for it. Boing! Isn't that so cute? I love it. It's the little Frankie with googly eyes. And he pops up when you open the box. I love it. That is the cutest little guy I've ever seen. She's so clever. And then you just put some treats inside. Darling. Darling, darling, darling. And she also used our new silver Delica metallic ink. And you can see, I hope it shows up, but you can see along the edges how it kind of ages everything a bit. Darling project. Another fun little project we made, this was a Halloween magnet. You can just get the magnets at any Walmart store. And this is the designer series paper, Monster Bash. And we simply got some epoxy stickers that were found on Amazon. And this used the Monster Bash, and then we just used the 1.5 inch circle punch to punch out a piece of the designer series paper and make this little cutie. So cute, so cute. Got to have a little bit of Halloween in your kitchen. All right, so the fall leaves card, this pretty card, and I love the copper foil paper here. So pretty. This was inspired by Jody, fellow teammate. This uses the stamp set Gather Together, and it's a bundle on page 46 and 48. The designer series paper here is from the Come Together, Come Together. Yep. And it's pretty. I love the little touch of the ribbon. Just very pretty. Love it. And this pretty one, this is, I'll just call it our plaid tree. This was inspired from our friend Karen. She used the Perfectly Plaid Bundle. Say that 100 times fast. The Perfectly Plaid Bundle. That's on page 12 to 14. The designer series paper here, which is so stunning. Can you see the shimmer of this? Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. That is from Brightly Gleaming. And what else can I tell you? This is, again, the stitched nested label dies. And she also used on our copper foil paper the Hammered Metal 3D embossing folder. You can find that on page 31. And then look at the cute little star at the top. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. So much talent. And then my sweet friend Paula, she's just the cutest little thing. She gave all of us this really cute fun fold card. So it opens this way and then this way. Isn't that so cute? I love it. That's really fun. And who doesn't love cute dinosaurs? I mean, rawr. That's all we have to say about that. Cuteness, rawr. Okay, so those are the cards and little goodies we made. And then another thing that we did, which was really nice, was we did these charts for our paper. Let me zoom out here a little bit for you, if I can. We did these charts. So each chart has a sample of the designer series paper, and then we also cut out the coordinating cardstock. So I'm going to put these into those plastic sleeves, 8.5 by 11 plastic sleeve, and then I'm going to put it in a binder, and I'll have all the papers to say, oh, this goes with this. It just keeps things super simple. So we did one for each of the holiday catalog. But isn't that awesome, you guys? I love this. It just keeps things so neat and tidy and organized, and I just think it's brilliant. I really like this. Look how gorgeous these are. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. And look how much cardstock matches that feels like frost. It was a great meeting. And you guys, I would just love to have you on my team. You'd be a part of this bigger family. It's wonderful. And even if you're not local to me, I do things online and, have a Facebook group and have a Facebook page. And there's just even though you're not in the same place, it does not mean that you cannot be active and participating with your teammates and friends from all over the country. So there you have it, you guys. That's what we worked on. That's what we did. It was a terrific meeting. I had so much fun, and it was wonderful meeting Shannon. So, as always, great big hugs from me to you. Thanks for visiting with me today. Please consider subscribing if you liked this video. Hit the bell notification so you'll stay up to date on all of my current videos. And I hope you have a happy day. Thanks again, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.